NCH Software Website Branding Presentation. For this presentation, I think I'll approach it from a customer's point of view. As I tell you my story, I'm going to describe the thought process behind how I discovered NCH Software and why I like it so much. In this process, I'm going to show you how they effectively branded themselves by using who, what, where, when, why, and how. So let's first discuss the consumer problem. In my case, I need to create a visual and audio presentation for this class. So my thought process is I identify the requirements, capture video from the internet website with or without audio, such as YouTube video, record a video of my computer screen displaying a PowerPoint presentation, and capture a video of myself speaking using the camera and audio from my computer. A method to splice several videos with audio together to edit them. Easy to use, short learning curve, reasonably priced, not a software as a service, such as Adobe Cloud. I want to be able to purchase it, not lease it. Works with Windows 10, and the ability to save the video and audio project on WebTube and other websites. So the first thing I did was search engine. Like anyone does, you type in a few keywords to search to try to find what you're looking for. In this case, these are normally called long-tail keywords, and that's an SEO language. In my case, what I did is I said free video editing software. And lo and behold, the second one on the list is what I'm looking for, was NCH. So it tells me that they're using their search engine optimization and keyword searches, the long-tail keywords, in an effective way to actually brand themselves in the search engine to get viewers. So at first, the initial blurb underneath the website seems like it might be what I'm looking for. Number one, free editing software. Okay, again, it tells me this might be what you're looking for. So that describes our who and our where. The next thing is I click on it, of course, landing page. Now the average person takes about 3 seconds to decide, is this what I am looking for without scrolling? They have their mouse in their hand and they can't wait to use it. So 3 seconds isn't a long time. So it has to be a clear, concise message right off the get-go. And people literally will read from left to right and in a zigzag format. So they'll scan with their eyes and then catch keywords as they're scanning to see if it grabs their attention. So in here, it says it gives me a brief description. I'm like, still looks promising, right? So that's the what. Where, they've got the clear red button. Can't wait to download. Here, tell me this. Here, how do I get it? It's right here. Click, click, click. Every page they have this on throughout their website. This is what we refer to as a call to action. So a user isn't lost when they're on the screen and saying, well, what do you want me to do? How do I get this? It's right there, plain sight, visible. I want to scroll down to look at more information. Wow, look at this. They give me all kinds of information about the software. They're giving me the facts about the software. What else do they offer? Okay, this looks promising, but what else? So I click on another area. And I'm like, wow, this really looks great. How does it appear to meet my requirements? Yeah, it does. It actually states all the things that I'm looking for. When can I get it? I can get it now. So I'm interested in VideoPad and Duet. The software downs quickly and installs fast. I can instantly get the software for free for 30 days. So they're trying to win my trust over right out of the gate. If you don't like it, you don't have to buy it. If it doesn't fit your needs, you don't have to buy it, which is great. If it isn't easy to use, you don't have to buy it again. So here's a nice screenshot of what VideoPad Editor looks like, what it does. Like, wow, this, it supports, all different kinds of stuff. You can, do it at YouTube. Here it is right here, YouTube. Wow, there we go. Okay, that's meeting my requirements, right? Webcam, oh, it does that too. Oh, good. Now I go to debate video capture software. I can record from my screen. I can record from a webcam. I can capture videos from any source. Oh, wow. Again, it's check, 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 meeting my requirements. I can record playing games, record video, external devices. So if I have a camera, I can do that too. Oh, this is even more than what I thought, which is great. That's like, okay, well, what else can I do with this software? So how much does it cost? That's always the thing. How much is it going to cost? Because Adobe Cloud is like over $500 a year for a subscription to it. It's like, ouch, that hits the pocketbook pretty good. So I'm like, how much? Oh, it's $59.95 for the video pad and another $39.95 for the debit software. And if I do it by March 15th, I can save money. And if I buy more than one product, bundling, I can even get a discount for it. Okay, this seems pretty reasonably priced, but cheap ain't always better. We know that, right? So we're like, But let's take a look at some of the other things. So here's how much it costs. How can I purchase it? I can purchase it right online. How can I pay for it? They've got all different kinds of payment methods under the sun. So fast checkout, secure. Oh, they're winning my trust. Consumer trust is a big thing. There's a lot of scam artists out on the internet, right? So they give you the secure checkout. And if you go there and you take a look, they're saying, well, here, it's encrypted. We don't store your credit card numbers. You're like, oh, okay, well, this is feeling better. Privacy statements clearly defined. Okay, I'm starting to feel trust. And again, the free 30-day try. Okay, again, they're trying to win my trust. That's a big, huge thing for me. How hard is it to learn? I only have 2 weeks to get this assignment done, right? Oh, well, guess what? Once I downloaded the software, here's a picture of what it looks like. They have a button up there that says, hey, here's the video tutorials. I can sit there and watch YouTube videos of how to use their software. My problem was solved. It was fast. It was easy. I was able to record from my computer along with my camera like I'm doing now. And off my screen, I was able to capture video clips from the internet to splice movies together with my presentation. I was able to save my recordings. I was like, whoa, it solved part of my problem. It also solved, that I had the videos that I could look at. The software looks sleek. It plays nice. It was easy for me to use. I figured it out in no time. Like, oh, this is nice. Now, the video pad editor, that was even nicer. I was able to grab all the videos that I captured with the other software, and I dragged and dropped them right into here, and then I was able to place them where I wanted them to, shorten or lengthen, cut, dissolve to, fade to black, all that kind of stuff, and then save it as a project. Simple. Again, they had the video tutorials available to me. I was able to load it instantly up to YouTube. They had other formats that I could save my presentation in. I was like, whoa, hey, this looks great. I had my presentation done in no time. So, consumer, word of mouth marketing. I was able to do my presentation in no time, which I have said a couple times, which I thought was pretty good for my first time doing that. I never had played with this software before. I wanted to, but it was the first time, and I was able to produce something that I thought was pretty decent for class in no time whatsoever. So, of course, I couldn't wait to tell my friends and my instructor all about it. I even shared it on Facebook. I'm a happy customer who feels like they got a great software and that was pocket friendly. So the consumer decision-making process is need recognition, information search, alternative evaluations, purchase decision, post-purchase behavior, which I think in this presentation I have described all those things, and I've also described who, what, where, when, how, why, and hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.